Hello, students. Today we'll be learning something very important, which is reading to answer specific question. Now, this lesson is actually under comprehension. So, comprehension is where we read a passage, we make sure we try to understand what the passage is talking about, and then give correct answers to the comprehension passage. But today we will be learning how to answer specific question that has been asked from the comprehension passage. So by the end of this lesson, you will learn how to read very smart and also answer your question quickly. Now, let's move on to the topic, reading to answer specific question. What does it mean to answer a specific question? It is you reading a passage, and then after reading the passage, you are able to get the answers to the question that follows the passage. It is not just reading for information, reading for fun, because most times we read our comprehension passage for fun, just to be enlightened and be excited about reading it. But majorly, this is you reading to answer the questions that follow the comprehension passage. Now, one thing you should know is this as a student is that whenever you are about to read a comprehension passage, I advise that you read your question first. In a scenario where you're given limited time to answer the questions that follow the comprehension passage, most times students run out of time because they took almost all their time reading the comprehension passage, and then after reading the comprehension passage they move to the question. From the question they go back again to the comprehension passage, which will actually take much of your time. Now, what you should do as a student is, first of all, read the question. After reading the question will serve as a guide or a map to getting your answers. So, for instance, you're reading a comprehension passage of a boy that went to the market, and the question states, where did the boy go to? So when the moment you start reading the comprehension passage, you look out for the key words he went to. And when you get these words, you are able to get the answers to the question. Now we are going to read a comprehension passage and we are going to answer the questions that follows it. But first of all, let's read the question first. Now the question says, question 1, what did Tunde do after brushing his teeth? Question 2. Why did Tunde eat quickly? Question 3. What time did he leave for school? Question 4. How did Tunde feel when he got to school? Question 5. Who praised Tunde? Now, these are the questions that follows the comprehension passage. And one thing you should know is that the answers to your question are in the comprehension passage. Now, for you to figure it out, you need to have a proper understanding of the comprehension passage. Now, let's read the comprehension passage together. Tunde woke up very early on Monday morning. He brushed his teeth, took his bath, and got dressed for school. His mother gave him breakfast, and he ate quickly because he didn't want to miss the school bus. At exactly 7 o'clock, Tunde picked his bag and ran out of the house. When he got to school, he joined the morning assembly. He was happy because he came on time and his teacher praised him for being punctual. Now, the first question says, what did Tunde do after brushing his teeth? Now, this is a passage about the subject Tunde, who tried as much as possible to get to school on time. And the reward he got was that the teacher praised him. Now, the first question says, what did Tunde do after brushing his teeth? Like I said earlier, the answers are in the comprehension passage. Now, if you look at the next sentence, it says, he brushed his teeth, took his bath, and got dressed for school. So, what did Tunde do after brushing his teeth? Very correct. So Tunde took his bath and got dressed for school. Now, when you're answering a comprehension passage, make sure your answers are written in full sentences. All right, so the answer is Tunde took his bath and got dressed for school. Now, question 2. Why did Tunde eat quickly? Why did Tunde eat quickly? Now, the third sentence says, his mother gave him breakfast and he ate quickly because he didn't want to miss the school bus. Now, let's go back to the question. It says, why did Tunde eat quickly? Tunde ate quickly because he didn't want to miss the school bus. So that is a very good answer. Full sentence. All right, question 3. What time did he leave for school? What time did he leave for school? Now let's move on to the passage. Now at exactly 7 o'clock, Tunde picked his bag and ran out of the house. So what time did he leave for school? Tunde left for school at exactly 7 o'clock. Tunde left for school at exactly 7 o'clock. Now, question 4. How did Tunde feel when he got to school? How did Tunde feel when he got to school? Now, let's look at this. When he got to school, this is actually from the comprehension passage. When he got to school, he joined the morning assembly. He was happy because he came on time and his teacher praised him for being punctual. So, how did Tunde feel when he got to school? He felt happy, or he felt very happy. All right, now let's move on to the last question for this comprehension passage. Who praised Tunde? According to the passage, who praised Tunde? So I'm going to read the last sentence that makes up the passage, which is actually the concluding sentence. He was happy because he came on time and his teacher praised him for being punctual. Now, the key word in the question says, who praised Tunde? The key word in this question is praised. So if you have to look for the word praised in the passage, the word praised is attached to the teacher, where it is said, he was happy because he came on time and his teacher praised him for being punctual. So the answer is Tunde's teacher praised him. Tunde teacher praised him. You can say go ahead to say Tunde teacher praised him for being punctual. So whenever you so these are the questions and we have given answers to this comprehension passage, the question that follow the comprehension passage. So whenever you're reading a comprehension passage, please do well to first of all read the question, then move on to the passage, read the passage slowly, take your time, and then when you go back to the question, look at the key words, Now, if you look at question 1, what is the key word for question 1? Question 1 says, what did Tunde do after brushing his teeth? Now, the key words are brushing his teeth. So you pick these words and you look for it in the passage. If you're able to get these words in the passage, I'm very sure that the answers are close to the keywords, either before the words or after the words. So make sure you look for the keywords in the passage. Like I said earlier, your comprehension question serve as a guide, a map. So just imagine you're going to an island, a place that you do not know about, you've never been to before. You need a map to guide you there. So your question is like a map. And then the map itself leads you to the answers in the comprehension passage.